Hey guys, it's Aidette. I'm back with another SavagexFenty try-on haul. These are one of my favorite videos to film because they are a big brand about self-love and empowerment and expressing your character and expressing just who you genuinely are. Before getting into all of that juicy stuff like the try-on, we are going to be talking a little bit about the deals that you guys can get if you guys click on the link down below, which is my special link, so you guys can get this special offer. The amazing thing about SavagexFenty is that they carry from sizes extra small to 3X and also bra sizes from 32A to 42H. And this also might sound a little bit crazy because it's never been really offered in any type of membership before. But if you guys are looking to getting 50% off of your very first order on SavagexFenty, you guys have to sign up and become an extra VIP member. If you want to skip a month and you don't really want to purchase anything, you guys will not get charged and there will be no penalty fees. And on top of all that great stuff of being an extra VIP member, you guys will get 25% off every single day off of every style, and you guys will also get free shipping on orders of $49. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the cute little pieces that I got for this month, and I am currently wearing this black lacy set right now. This is the black lacy set here. This is like a bralette. I do have some little nipple covers under it because it is a bit see-through. This little bralette here does have underwire, and this bottom here is super freaking cute. It just has the same lace and has the cute little gold piece. And of course, here is the back. So here I'm on, you guys. Hi, Papash. Then next up, I have this cute little red number. This is so cute. This is my first time trying this one on. Look how adorable it is. It's almost like a sweetheart type of candy in the middle. It's so freaking cute. And here you guys can kind of get a little idea of what the thong looks like. It's super cute. This one's a thinner thong. And here is the back of this bra. And also, let's take a little moment for the back of this thong. It has a matching sweetheart type emblem. So this little set here is a little bit more see-through. I do have covers under this set though. It reminds me of milk chocolate. I just love the Valentine's Day vibes, guys. And this is what she looks like from the back. And you guys can see it's fully see-through all around. Then here we have another little see-through piece. This is what the top looks like, and this is what the bottoms look like. This one is definitely more of a boy short type vibe. These are all too adorable, but the party is truly in the back. And for the bottoms, we do have this strappiness going on. So freaking cute. The details never miss with SavagexFenty. Okay, so this set is a freaking moment. I'm so hyped to show you guys this one, but this is like the same top. This is exactly the same top, and it's the same vibe. We have the razor back, and this actually is pants. The super cool thing about SavagexFenty is that I literally have like the biggest collection of SavagexFenty. Like, I mix and match all of my pieces from each month and they all work perfectly. And these are what the pants look like. They're all fully see-through and they fit like leggings, but these are probably the best fitting leggings I have ever had in my entire life. Now let's take a moment for this set here because this bra fits like a freaking glove. I love the fact that this bra comes with a gel lining along the rims of the bra because I find a lot of the time when I wear a strapless bra, which these straps are removable, it always falls off during the day. All the time, never fails. So I love that this stays lifted and it stays on all day. This is just a pretty essential black bra. I literally wear either nude or black every single day. I decided to pair it with these yeah, I know you guys just saw that. And I decided to pair this bra with these see-through panties. And like I was telling you guys earlier, I like to mix my SavagexFenty pieces, so I also like to layer them. So I have this black set here, and I also would layer it with this dress right here, which is just a fishnet see-through dress. How cute and scandalous is this? The freaking vibes. Can we just appreciate this little moment here? So it's this type of neck right here. So if you guys don't want these straps, like I said, this is a strapless bra, so you can remove these. And the dress does hit like right above the knee. And now for one of my faves, which is the comfy set. I love wearing these to bed. I love wearing these under fits. I love wearing these literally wherever I go. So if you guys are noticing a pattern by now, this month is more particularly focused on Valentine's Day, so you guys can snatch up your pieces quickly before Valentine's Day so you guys can look good for yourself, your boo, whatever you want, girl. So here in the center, it does have the SavagexFenty with the rose and the heart. So adorable, giving that Valentine's Day sexy vibe, and it feels amazing. And with that being said, that this month is mostly based on Valentine's Day type vibes, I do have this little set here. This is probably my most favorite set out of everything that I got this month. So freaking cute, but it is a little risque. So I am going to be placing the photo here that I do have for SavagexFenty. It was such a moment. I felt so beautiful in it, and honestly, I'm going to be wearing that around the house all day on Valentine's Day. So this is the top here, and then I do have the undies. We know YouTube can be a little restrictive, so I didn't want to risk that, but you guys can see the picture. This little garment here as well to go across your waist and hang down on your legs. And now for this next set, this piece is also see-through. A lot of these pieces are see-through, but of course this is lingerie. But like I said before, a lot of these bralettes can be used as actual tops. But personally, I love wearing lots of these bralettes as, you know, everyday outfits. This is like a polka dot mesh type vibe. And then here we have the bottom. I'm going to be placing a photo right here on the side so you guys can kind of get more of a better look as to what this looks like. And also the back of this top is laced up along with the back of these bottoms. And also to pair off that outfit, you guys can wear it with these gloves right here. But I love wearing this with any dresses during the day. These are super versatile. And very lastly, to end off this video, I love these corsets right here. These are the perfect ensemble for Valentine's Day. Just feel and look pretty for your own self. It's a part of self-empowerment and self-love. So this is the corset here. This is the red one. I think this one's my favorite out of the corsets. It's just so sexy, beautiful, hot. I absolutely love it. You guys can pair these with some jeans and tuck it into the jeans to make it look a little bit more casual with some really pretty boots. And then also you guys can clasp those clasps onto these red lacy socks. And then here is the second corset. These are the panties, and these are so freaking cute. It gives me like the goth sexy vibes. And as you guys can see, it's the same thing but just with black lace, black and red lace, and has a clasp in the front and this in the back. This month has to be probably my favorite out of all the months that I have received from SavagexFenty. Like I said, do not forget to click on the link down below so you guys can get access to all of the offers that I told you guys about today. And do not forget, don't miss out on those special discounts and opportunities, guys. Those are amazing deals and you guys will not find them anywhere else. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.